Hello students, good morning. I Poonam Sharma, the teacher of Radiant International School, kindly welcome to the e-learning classes. So students, how are you? I hope you all are safe at your home. So today I am going to teach you lesson 1 of English, that is back to school. Okay? Now students, 3 months are over of the lockdown. All are at your home. I think you all might have been bored at your home, seeing all the movies and packed up in your rooms. Now it is a time for you all to go back to your school. But this time the school which you will go according to this poem is totally different from the school you go every year. Okay, something new is there in the school. So are you ready to go to this school? Yes or no? Yes. So all are excited to go to school? So let us go back to the school. Come on students, take out your textbook. It is page number 9 of your textbook. Name of the lesson is Chapter 1, Back to School. Okay. So, isn't it interesting? I hope all are very enthusiastic to join this school and you might have been bored at your home. So, I am very interested. I too hope that you too are interested in going back to school. So, now let us visit the school. Dear students, the summer has ended. The school year at last has begun. But this year is totally different. I promise we will only have fun. Now, in this poem, the poet, okay, he is inviting the students to come back to this school, okay, and what he is requesting that the summer is ending. Naturally, after summer means May, when the May get ended and June is started, we go to our school normally. But this year, due to lockdown, we couldn't go to this school. But hope we will soon meet you in this school. But for time being, we are going to meet you on this videos only. There is no other choice for us. So, in this poem, the poet is advising the students that now the summer has been ended and the school is going to start. So, you all are welcome to school. But what he promises that this time the school which you are going to join will be totally different from the school which you go every year. Now, what is different in this year's school academic? We are going to study here. We won't study any mathematics and recess will last all day long. Instead of the pledge of allegiance, we will sing a rock and roll song. Now, what the poet is saying, that this year we are not going to learn any mathematics, neither we are going to learn any other subject. And this year the recess will last for all long the day. Means full day you can enjoy your snacks, you can have lots of fun and frolic. Okay, and in the morning when we go to school, what is our daily routine? When we go to school, we start with the pledge. We start our day with the prayer and the pledge. But in this school, this time instead of pledge means commitment. What is a pledge? Pledge is one type of commitment we do towards our country. We are taking a pledge in the morning. India is our country. Means this is our commitment towards our country. So this time no allegiances and no commitment are to be done in the school, and we are just going to have a rock and roll song. Means we will start our day with music and song. Okay. Where we will only play games in the classroom. You are welcome to bring in your toys. Normally when you go to the school, you carry your water bottle, you take your lunch box and you carry your bag. But this time when you go to school with your bags, there should be no notebooks in your bag. You should carry only your toys. You can bring toys and you can share and play with your friends in the classroom. It's okay to run in the hallways. It's great if you make lots of noise. When you are in school, students, you have to follow certain rules and regulation. Teachers always tell you that you have to sit in the bench, sit at your place. You should not litter here and there. Okay, certain rules are there. But this school is free of rules. No rules and regulations are there in the school and in the classroom. You can play, you can eat anytime, you can enjoy yourself. Okay. Now we move to the page number 10. For homework, you will play your video. You will have to watch lots of TV. For field trips, we will go to the movies and get lots of candies for free. Now, when you go to schools, all the subject teachers, they provide you different homework in their subjects. But this year, in the homework, you will get only lots of homework, means you have to watch TV all the time. That is your homework. See, it is just in this poem. I am not going to spare you without giving the homework. In my subject, definitely I am going to give you homework. This is only the imaginative school which the poet is describing. In that he says that in that school there will be no homework given to you. Only the homework which will be provided by the school is just to watch the TV. Okay. But in our school, Radiant International School, we don't allow you to do such things. Okay. For field trips, we will go for the movies and get lots of candies for free. When you go out for the field trip, means for excursion, okay? There you will get to, when you go out for that, you will only go and see movies and you will get lots of free candies to eat over there. The lunchroom will only serve chocolates, means the canteen. Daily you go to canteen. If you don't bring your food, so where you go? You go to canteen. Yes, to collect your food, where you get different varieties on different days. But in this school, the lunchroom will only provide you different type of chocolates daily. So want to go for that? Okay. And triple fudge Sunday Supreme. Oh my God! How many of you like Sundays or the fudge? Have you eaten the fudge, mango fudge? Yes, it is very yummy. I too also like to eat it. Okay. Yes, that's what I heard from my teacher before I woke up from my dream. Means this is the school which the poet is imagining only in her dream. Okay. So it is just an imagination. Yeah, what will be the school which the girl, which the boy is imagining in the dream? It is not the real school, it is just the imagination of the child. So I hope you might have understood the concept of the poem Back to School. I wish you too would like to join this school, but this school you can join only in your imagination, and for that you need to sleep well and stay healthy. This is all for the day. This is Poonam Sharma signing off for the day. Meet you all next week. Till then, goodbye.